Maluti A Phofung Local Municipality Update. The Office of the Executive Mayor, Honorable Councillor Gilbert Mokotso. His unit on Gender HIV and AIDS and Disability, the Department of Sports and Arts and Culture, hosted an inconvenience soccer tournament at Phuthaditjhaba Stadium. The games were aimed at reviving the culture and playing and improving positive living in the lives of our youth. The department also unveiled its mobile clinic facility, where young people are always encouraged to do their health checkups. The latest from Mapwater. There was a scheduled maintenance which has been delayed by the day, and it happened on the Thursday 24 February 2022. The affected areas were Tiame A, B, C, D, Lugambush and Kestel. Mapwater ikopa tshwarelo ka tshitiso ena ya metsi #work to serve. Maluti A Phofung Local Municipality Update. The development of the 5-year 2022-2027 IDP as per previous episode. Below is the schedule for the public participation with stakeholders. We start on the 25th of February 2022, where we have Ward 11 at Mononta Sports Ground, Ward 16 at Makining Hall, Ward 26 at Biketlo School. The target group is the community. The times are 10, 3 o'clock and 3 o'clock respectively. On the 28th of February, we have Ward 31, Ward 35 and Ward 32 at Municipality Stadium. We have Ward 19 at Tababisu Travel Council. We have Ward 20 and 21 at Tibella Hall. The target group is the community, and the times are 2 o'clock, 10 o'clock and 2 o'clock respectively. On the 1st of March, we have Ward 27, 28 and 29 at Phuthaditjhaba Multipurpose Hall. We have Ward 7 and 8 at Ditutani School. We have Ward 10 at Itwisising School. The times are 4 o'clock, 2 o'clock and 2 o'clock respectively. On the 2nd of March, we have Ward 15 at Tsulo School, Ward 1 and 6 at Sidiba Hall, Ward 4, 5 and 22 at Ntabazi Multipurpose. The times are 10 o'clock, 10 o'clock and 2 o'clock respectively. Then on the 3rd of March, we have Clubview Secondary School for Ward 2, then Ward 9, Babalong Travel Council is the venue. The target group is the community. The times are 4 o'clock and 2 o'clock respectively. Then on the 4th of March, the target group is the sector department. The venue is the municipal council chambers at 10 o'clock. For any additional information regarding logistical arrangements, community members should contact the respective ward councillors. #work to serve.